Ratata, ratata. Hey!
Pastor,
Oh.
hold on. What's going on?
Calm down.
What-
You said
what-
you were going to cooperate with me.
Yes, we're cooperating in prayers
Yeah, I'm trying to remove the demon out of your life.
by caressing my body.
Don't worry. Ratata.
Pastor, are you a joker?
Trying
What kind
to-
of fake pastor are you?
No, I'm trying to remove the demon out of you from your body.
No. Don't touch me. What's that?
You agreed
It
that
is
you're going
you that has demons, Pastor. It is you. You're the one
I'm
that is
trying
possessed.
to cleanse
Don't
you.
fucking touch me.
I'm trying to cleanse you.
Get out.
You don't want me to clear the demons out of you anymore? I'm only trying to take out the demons from you.